In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw elevation from floor plan in AutoCAD. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. We'll walk through a clean, efficient workflow for converting aligned floor plans into a front elevation. Begin by making sure your floor plans are perfectly aligned. Place the ground and first floor plans directly above each other in the drawing area, so their front or elevation sides line up. Take a moment to pan and zoom, checking that doors, windows, and wall corners fall on the same vertical axis. Accurate alignment here makes everything down the line much faster. Next, establish the ground level. Draw a simple horizontal line with line or pline to represent the road or ground level. This anchor line gives you a consistent datum for all wall heights and exterior features. So snap it to a reliable point and lock it visually on its own layer if you like. Now project vertical lines up from the floor plan features. Use the ray command or X line to shoot vertical rays from the outer corners of walls and from key feature centers, such as windows and doors. Make sure your rays are perfectly vertical by constraining them in the correct axis and extend them high enough to reach your tallest expected roof or parapet. These rays act like sight lines from plan to elevation and will be the guide for where to place your heights. With those rays in place, switch to your wall layer and activate ortho mode, which keeps all lines straight and clean. Draw horizontal lines across from your projected rays at the correct wall heights. Use the height measurements you have for the project, for example, a typical wall height of 3 meters, and snap each horizontal to the intersection points with your rays. This step creates the visible edges of the elevation at each level. Finally, create the building profile. Use the paln command to trace the outer edges of the walls and the roof line, snapping carefully to the intersection points where your projected rays meet the height lines. Work continuously so the polyline forms a single, clean outline. After tracing, tidy up by trimming excess rays and lines, adjusting line weights or layer visibility, and checking for any missed intersections. A couple of quick tips. Keep object snaps on for accuracy. Zoom into intersections when snapping for precision, and use separate layers for guides versus final geometry to make cleanup easy. Follow these steps and you'll have a precise elevation derived directly from your floor plans.